I started out traditionally as a window cleaner, and window cleaning it's a very simple business model here in the UK. It's a subscription service, so you get X amount of customers per month and you just repeat that month on month, which is great, but it is relatively low ticket items, low ticket sales, so you don't make quite as much money. So when the Softwash Systems came about and soft washing exterior cleaning with its higher ticket items, I thought, well, I've been a successful window cleaner. I thought I can go into exterior cleaning and I'll be just as successful. But I was very wrong. But fortunately, I came in touch with Softwash Systems, and the model and the systems that they're using, I've been implementing that bit by bit. I've still got a long way to go, but thanks to those systems and the implementation, it's helped my business to grow in that regard. So as I said before, window cleaning, we're making a decent income, but it's a lower income, it's a lower ticket sale. And Softwash Systems really helped because I didn't really know how much to charge. I knew I should be charging more because there was more expenses involved in acquiring a client, but I didn't know how much to charge. So the pro forma, that was very helpful when I seen daily, weekly targets. You knew how much you should be making on a given day. You could look at a job. Once you had a little bit of experience, you could tell how long this job would take and how much you should be charging. Whereas before, although we'd never been on the breadline, we'd never been in a bad situation. We certainly weren't as comfortable as we are now, where we can now put things aside, start planning for future purchases, future events, which we probably wouldn't have been able to do as easily a couple of years ago. Yeah, so thanks to Softwash Systems and the model that they show you, it encourages you, should you want to come off the tools and have more of a managerial role, which I was able to do. I do still go on the tools occasionally. I quite enjoy being on the tools. It suits my personality style, shall we say. But by and large, I'm off the tools now, which frees up more time with my family. Hence having children, I've seen how quickly time goes by. It goes by quickly and they change a lot, and it's nice to be able to see that change. Fortunately, I've been blessed in that way that I've been able to spend more time with the family over the past couple of years as well, which has been really great. If I hadn't found Softwash Systems, we wouldn't be as well as we are doing today. I'd be on the tools still. I wouldn't be seeing as much of the family, and we wouldn't be planning as much for the future the way that we are now. So I'm grateful to Softwash Systems. It's been really good for me. It's been a real eye opener actually. They don't just give you a job or show you how to do something, but they really do help with the whole business model, and that has the spillover effects on it too. Having you in family life and planning for the future and things that I would never have thought that getting involved with Softwash Systems would have given me, but it really has. I'm very grateful for that. Well, it's funny you should say that. My future now, my family's future now, thanks to Softwash Systems, we are trying to get the business where it's running and I can take a real backward step from it, where I only maybe need to come and be involved in the business a handful of days, maybe 3 or 4 days a month. You can fly over, make sure everything's okay, and then you can go back to Spain and enjoy our life in Spain and have an income from the business in that regard. Again, I would never have thought that was possible just a few years ago, but yeah, it gives me that ability, the confidence to actually do that. To, like I say, I would never have thought it was possible, and if someone said, "Oh, why don't you try it?" I would have thought, "Well, you're crazy, that won't work, you couldn't do that." But having spoken to other people in Softwash Systems, yeah, motivational, encouraging, and obviously you learn a lot as well. So Softwash Systems has helped me in that regard, and yeah, future's looking good.